Hello everyone, Sanbonani, Dumelang, Absheni, Molweni.
Senior member of the KwaZulu-Natal Legislature and former ANC Youth League Deputy Chair, Sboniso Duma has unseated Sihle Zikala following a tight race to lead governing party's largest province. Duma received 930 votes to Zyakhala 665 ballots. The newly elected leader's entire slate, known as the Talibans, which also featured Begum Tolo as provincial secretary, won all top positions. This is yet another clean sweep as seen in Mpumalanga, Limpopo and Eastern Cape. The conference, which has been seamless throughout, nominated and cast ballots for new leaders on Saturday, with the results being delivered late on Saturday evening. News that Duma had unseated Zikala, who is also premier, were welcomed by those in attendance with loud cheers and singing. Nomagugu Simelane, the only female official, has been elected deputy chair, while Mtolo takes over from Dumiseni Ntuli as provincial secretary and Sipho Hlomuga returns to his previous role as deputy secretary. Controversial former Newcastle Mayor Dr. Ntuthuko Janda Mahlaba was elected as treasurer. Delegates also found time to express their concerns over the alleged ill treatment of former ANC President Jacob Zuma breaking into Wenzenu Zuma, which means what has the former president done? On Sunday, the conference will draw to an end following the nomination and election of additional members. Share your thoughts on this one. Please subscribe for more news.